Hi. Today, we're going to talk about one of the new functions that Microsoft is rolling out, the GROUPBY function. I know it's not yet available to some of you, including myself. Even though my Excel has the most recent update, and I'm part of Microsoft 365 Insider. In this video, we are going to use the unique function along with other conditional functions to achieve the same results as the GROUPBY function. We will use the unique function along with SUMIF, AVERAGEIF, COUNTIF functions. This table contains product categories and their quantities sold. We are going to calculate the average quantity sold for each product category. Let's add the headers, category, and average sales equals unique. The unique function in Excel is used to extract unique values from a range or array. For the array argument, we select the entire category column. By column argument indicates whether to compare columns. Both by column and exactly once argument are optional. We close the bracket. Here are the unique products. Equals AVERAGEIF. The range argument takes the entire column of product category. Select the entire column entries, comma. Criteria, the condition that determines which cells to average. Thus, a product category, comma. Average range, the actual set of cells to average. We select the entire number of sales column. Close the bracket. Drag the formula down. By using the unique function along with various conditional functions, we have been able to achieve the same result as the GROUPBY function. We can compute the total number of sales using the SUMIF function. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it.